massage it nicely in your skin. I can't find my blusher. Okay, where are you? Oh, today I'm gonna use. I need to tie my hair. Just a minute. Hi friends, welcome back to you on your very own channel, and today I am doing festival look because it's a festival time and we all like to get ready, right? So I'm today gonna show you a very simple and subtle Navratri look. You can do it on Navratri or any other occasion. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you have to prepare your skin. It's very important. Whether you have oily skin or dry skin or combination, I would recommend to use vitamin C. Really improve your health of your skin. So I'm using this one today. Massage it nicely in your skin. My skin is ready. I will allow a few minutes before putting primer or doing anything because it really needs some time to absorb this. Use Bare Minerals. So this is a very hydrating primer. I don't want my foundation to look cakey. So underneath my foundation, I always prefer to have something which allow my foundation to stay like my own skin and don't get cakey. So the skin is full prepared and now it's time for the foundation. I'm gonna use Wet n Wild. Make dot like this. If you want high coverage, you can use more product, but gonna blend this. If you like to use a beauty blender, make sure that you put into the water so that it will not soak your foundation or your makeup inside it. And then let's start the job. And never do like this, do it like this, okay? Just buff it inside your skin. Don't drag it, otherwise it will give you crease on your skin and it will show that you're wearing some makeup. Though if you're wearing, flaunt it but not like that, okay? Whatever you do, you have to make sure that it is fine and look good. And don't forget your ears, it's really important, and your neck too. For that, I'm gonna use concealer. I have a dark circle these days a lot, so I'm gonna use this LA Girl. It's a skin corrector or color corrector. So now I'm gonna use my concealer. This is from Wet n Wild, if you can see. Anyways, I like to use concealer very in lighter shade compared to my foundation, so it can bright my eyes. To lock this, and also I'm using my eyelid primer so that I can prepare my eyes together. Blending actually take a lot of time, yeah. No matter how you're doing it, but if you really want your makeup to look flawless, you really need to work on your blending. Base is ready. Don't forget the loose powder. You can use any loose powder. You can do it with your compact powder. I'm gonna use the banana setting powder.
And this you can apply all over your face.
The face is prepared. Now it's time for the eyeshadow. Well, when you go for the puja and all, I really don't, I personally don't like it going very heavy. So with eyes, I'm gonna do very, very simple. I will blend this. Can you see that? And I will do the same on my second eye. So look, just a one shade and the eye is looking so different. And with same, it's a festival time, so how you can say no to any shine. I'm gonna use one very pretty golden shade from my Morphe palette, copper golden you can say. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna deposit it here. See, just with the golden, it's looking more bright and it's give you the festival kind of feeling, right? So I will do the same on my second eye. Now eyes are done and it's time for the eyebrows. So for eyebrows, as you know, my one of favorite. I love to use this one a lot. Okay, so eyebrows done, eyeshadow done. So now we need to do the kajal, because without kajal, I personally don't like go out. So I'm using, it's a Indian brand. It's by Lakme and it's a very black, intense black. So while applying kajal, I closed my eyes like this so that I can have a nice line on upper eyelid also. Now the base shade which I took on above, I'll use the same shade and apply on the lower eyelid.
And I will blend this. It looks so complete. If you don't do this step, it's optional if you want to do it if you don't feel like don't do it. But if you do, then you will actually feel your eyes looking so complete. I will repeat the same on my second eye.
Mascara time now, and I'm gonna use a Tarte one. I really like this one personally. You can choose any, whatever you feel like. It really, with 2-3 stroke, it give so much volume to your lashes. Repeat same on my another eye. Eyes are fully done. Just with this, it's looking so very good. Okay, so now it's time for some blushes and some highlighter. This is from Essence, and so this is the one I'm gonna use. And I'll mix both the shades together. So, okay. Whenever you're applying blush, don't do straight away like this. You first have to dab it like this. And you're doing like this, then you apply a lot here and then not it's not equally everywhere. So better to use the blusher and with very light hand just tap it like this and then start blending, so you will not go wrong. Okay, and now it's my favorite highlighter time. So with this I'm using this one. Today I will go with somebody's messaging me. Okay, so I'll go with Moonstone. I just love this one because I believe that with Indian skin tone it's really go very nicely. And right now I'm not having my fan brush here, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my blush brush here and just clear the blush from it like this. I'll just press it like this. This is, and I'm just gonna do it like this, so it will give me the fan brush work. And now I'm back to my finger because I really love to do it with my finger. Can you see the pigment? It's really bright and it's worth spending on this, really. Apply some on my nose. This is it, and now finally we're gonna have our lipstick. So I'm gonna use these two shades. The one is from Milani. It's in Rebel Row, and the another one is from Smashbox, and it's a shade Babe Alert. As a base of the lipstick, and I'm gonna use the another shade. Then I will dab my finger like this. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a partition and apply a sindoor, which I love to do on the festival time. So I have my liquid sindoor. If you don't have, you can even use your liquid red lipstick. So this is a fine look and I hope you like it. Also, I want to show the same look with the another lipstick which I use in my Instagram post. If you follow me on Instagram, you can see that. Let's try the another shade. This is the another shade. It's from the Urban Decay. It's in Rocksteady, and see how this one is gonna look. It is the final look, and I think this shade look much better than the previous one. And now you are good to go. So I'll see you in my next video and let me know how you like it. Bye.